All right, all right. Why can you not see me? Oh, wait, you can. Uh, all right, there we go. All right, all right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Early Morning Crypto Talk. This is Bitcoin Brandon from Los Angeles, California. Go ahead and type in the chat box where you're listening in from. As a disclaimer, I am not a licensed financial advisor to be giving financial advice. I read the news, give my opinion, share suggestion, and it is up to you to make an informed, intelligent decision on which direction you want to move into. Well, good morning. Good morning. I'm having a very late morning start on this Saturday morning. Today I'm taking my father to go see Top Gun Maverick, and I got the great idea at around 1 a.m. Yeah, let me watch the first Top Gun movie all over again. I just wanted to watch the fight scenes and ended up watching the whole thing late last night. So we're getting started just a few minutes late this morning, but good morning. I see Laura Coleman Brown from Maryland, Faye Harris from Temecula, Lori K. Bourbon Lamar from Southern Illinois, Folarunso from Nigeria. You're here to learn more. Absolutely. Dagmar from Lake Arrowhead, Facebook user from Wet Washington, Patty. Okay, you told me this. Geis, right? Yeah, they said the E is silent. Patty Geis from San Diego, Neil Brooks from Richmond, Virginia, Jacqueline Briggs Jacqueline's in Florida, Brenda Fogel, South Orange, New Jersey, Facebook user Grand Rising, I already know who that is, Marnita Casa from Colorado, Lisa Ragsdale from Maryland, Margaretta from, oh, this jumped on me. See, go back up. Margaretta from Michigan. Facebook user from Texas, Stan Thompson from sunny Michigan. Faye Harris. Now you can see, we can't see or hear you. Okay, I'm back. Dorothy Mays from Tampa, Florida. Elijah Morgan from Hercules, California. Pat Amy, happy weekend. Facebook user from the Shy. I think that might be Melanie. Let's see, Judy Emdom from Toronto, Canada. Oh, we're going to see Aldo. Aldo, the 7 p.m. show. Latanya Douglas from my backyard, Los Angeles. Karen Michelle from Florida. Corpus Christi, that must be Provis Lofties. Joyce Easley from South Carolina. Geisy. Y is. Let's see. Anita Suri from Toronto, Canada. Oh, the U is silent. That's why I say Geis. Okay, Geisy. The U is silent, not the E. I'm gonna get it, Patty. Provis, you saw it last weekend. Hey, Rohan, what's going on, Rohan? The bullish speculator. I like your title. From Cartagena, Colombia, Rohan. So good morning, everybody. On Saturday mornings, we do crypto talk for everybody, not just the ILCA community, although I strongly urge and suggest that you do become a part of the ILCA community so that you can get crypto talks more than just one day a week. You'll have 5 days a week if you are part of the ILCA inner circle. This is a brand new month. This is the first public crypto talk since in the month of June. Summertime is here. School is out. Kids are home. This is a time most people want to take vacations, but this is also when we really want to get to work. So let me go ahead and share screen and let's look at, I have not looked at anything in 2 days actually, because I didn't do a crypto talk since Thursday. So let's see what's going on in the crypto space, and I will have that getting loaded as well. Hope you guys are already off to having a good start on this weekend. Seems like a holiday weekend to me for some reason, but that was last weekend. Okay, the crypto market cap is at 1.2 trillion, up 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is at 29,793, up 1.3% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is up 0.8%, not that much in the last 24 hours. See anything that shoots out. BNB is up 1.4%. Cardano is up 3.1%. Ripple is up 0.7%. Solana is down 1.2%. Doge is up 2.2%. Polkadot 1.4%. Wrapped Bitcoin 1.2%. Tron is down 1.6%. Avalanche is up 1.7%. Shiba Inu is up 1.8%. Litecoin is up 2.2%. Polygon. All right. Best performers in the past 24 hours. The graph is up 13%. Thorchain is up 8.1%. Helium is up 6.5%. Chiliz is up 4.7%. Gala is up 4.2%. Axie Infinity is up 3.9%. Maker 3.1%. Cardano 3.1%. Bitcoin SV 3.1%. Flow 3%. Airweave 3%. Matic 2.7%. Okay, so the graph is the clear winner of the 24 hours. You know what? I forget. This is Saturday, so you guys that's looking on the public side haven't seen the crypto talk in a week. So let's look at who's the best performers over the last week. Waves. Now that's what I'm talking about. Waves has been one of my worst performers this year. That I thought I dropped a bag on, and I thought this was going to do very well. Long term, I think it will. Short term, it hurt me. But it's up 102% over the past week. So I never sold my position. I'm just sitting on that. Evmos is up 52.3%. That's a token I don't know much about. It just popped up on the scene. Helium had a comeback this week, 27.9%. Cardano 23.2%. The Graph 20%. Thorchain 20%. Stellar 18.1%. We talked about Stellar earlier this week, so I don't know if any of you guys that was listening increased your positions on Stellar. I've been holding this since 2018. Chiliz 17.4%. Bitcoin SV 16.2, IOTA 15.1, AV 14.3. So the past week has been a pretty strong week for most of the tokens here. We're talking about double-digit green. The worst performers, though, Terra Luna Classic down 26%, Chain is down 13%, Solana 8.5%, Convex Finance 8.2%. So not much. So all in all, if we got to look at the past week, the market has been in the positive the past week overall than normal. So we look at our portfolio that we're doing live. Let's see where we are with that one, with our crypto.com wallet and also our Get Rich Quick wallet. So let's see if we take a quick look at what our positions are. All right, so let's see. In the last 24 hours, this wallet is at up $300. Okay. Chronos in the green. Bitcoin, Solana is down 1%. Sandbox is up 1%. Ethereum is almost up 1%. Flow, this is a new token we took on in the past week or so, up 2.98%. Matic is up. Axie Infinity. Any surprises here? Helium is up 6.9%. Live Peer. Gala is up 4%. The Graph is up 13%, so this was the biggest winner on the week. The Graph up 13%. Oh no, Ocean Protocol is up 19%. I didn't hear any news about Ocean Protocol this week though. And that's it. Check out our Get Rich Quick wallet. The Trust wallet. Okay. Trust wallet. Philcoin still down 12%. Here is a mistake I made. I should have sold this at 80 cents. But my plan was they're supposed to be going on some major exchanges this summer, and I was holding for that. So now that we're in June, it got suffered from the entire market coming down, so this was no escape. They haven't gone on the major exchange yet, and I'm still in profit. I only spent $400 on this coin, but it was up. I was up $5,000 about a month and a half ago. So I'll sit on it. I'll wait. We'll see what happens. I'd rather get a $5,000 profit on this one. I'll wait on that one. I'm not losing. Ethereum is up 1. Wakanda's up 0.6. Vetter's up 2. Project Galaxy's 1.6. The Provis token LSS is down 7.9. Let's see anything else. Katana's up 9%. That's been flatline for a while. And Ken's Wheels. There was an announcement made last night. I don't talk much about Ken's Wheels at all, but it's a project called TOAX that I took a position on last December before ILCA was created. So I've been sitting on this for 7 months now. I have 2.1 million tokens. So the TOAX project, I actually even interviewed on Crypto Talk the individuals behind TOAX. So we got to go back to December or maybe early January. we interviewed the team behind Toax and what they're all about and what they're doing. It might be time to bring them back to interview them again. And the reason why is they just hired a marketing firm to really get the word of what they're about and out there. And why is that important? Because guess who they hired? They hired my CMO, Mr. James Hendricks. So they hired my CMO. They made that announcement last night. I was not on the call. I got to go back and watch the replay, see what they were talking about. But they hired one of the best marketers out there to get their project. So in my book, that now puts their project a little bit even better than it was before. Sometimes it's all about who the team is. Who is the team behind making things happen? What is the marketing like? Because the marketing means, can there be more exposure for a project? And if there's more exposure for a project, that means the asset that we hold rises. And if I'm sitting on 2.1 million tokens, and this just comes out and it's at 50 cents, that's more than $1 million worth. If they do $1.50 or $2, that's $4 million worth I'm sitting on. So I'm very, very, very excited about that news, and we'll see how that pans out. But I think it might be time I bring back, and since they're using my CMO, we can coordinate. So we'll coordinate. I'll talk to him first and see what would be a good strategy if I bring them back on the ILCA Crypto Talk. And then, of course, we got Green that is sitting there. And the current price of Green, that's another long-term project I have. That's a 7-figure project. The price is at 0.006. But I am playing. I've got millions of these Green tokens. And if it does anything close to what Gala can do, then that's also a multi-7-figure position on this Green project. But I'm also doing the short-term version of it. I'm flipping it back and forth because it can be sold on Uniswap. So once this goes over a penny, I sell. Once it drops below half a penny, I buy, and just keep doing that back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So it got close to a penny on me the other night. And the reason why I have a penny is because I need to have a certain amount of profit, since we're dealing with Ethereum and the transaction fees are high. So I need to have a certain amount of profit before I sell. So I'm waiting for it to see it go over a penny again. All right, so that's some of the positions. Those of you on the free side, you'll get to see, yeah, we actually show some of our wallets. I actually show more in the inner circle. I'll show my Makara. I can show Binance. I can show the different things that we got going on here. So that's what we got. That's what we're doing. Let's take a look at some of the news. I have not had a chance to really jump in to see some highlighted news of this week. There's a lot been going on. So I took a quick glance over at Marnita's website, and some things caught my eye. Michael Jordan. I'm a basketball junkie. Greatest of all time. It is not, according to my 14-year-old son, LeBron James. It is Michael Jordan. So anything dealing with him and crypto got my attention. Lonzo Ball. Now, Lonzo Ball, if you don't know the Ball family, they came from Chino, California, which is less than 20 minutes from my house. 15 minutes from my house. Chino, California. And there's 3 of them, Ball brothers and their dad. Lonzo plays for Chicago, while his brother LaMelo plays for Michael Jordan's team. So I found this interesting. Lonzo Ball partners with Michael Jordan and his son, Jeffrey Jordan's Air platform, to launch new NFT collection. So that caught my attention. Michael Jordan may have taken the world by storm with his awe-inspiring talent, but his children are making moves to ensure the Jordan legacy remains strong. Jeffrey Jordan partnered with his father to create Air Inc., a Web3 community dedicated to celebrating the top athletic legacies. NBA legacies and streetwear designers, Air Inc. is premiering its first athlete membership NFT with company investor and Chicago Bull guard Lonzo Ball in a recent launch. The NFT collection will feature 4,200 NFTs created by Don C., a Chicago streetwear designer. Don is known for his collaborative work with other high-profile individuals, including Kanye West. Air is evolving and elevating the fan experience by offering an innovative athlete engagement platform through a unique membership model, Ball explained. I'm excited to partner with Air as we work together to digitize the transition from fans to owners, empower first-person athlete storytelling, and provide athletes with a digital platform to build and monetize their brands on the blockchain. People who purchase one of the NFT pieces will have exclusive access to insider content with athletes like Ball and virtual and real life products and experiences. Now, whenever people say, well, Brandon, how do you look at projects or coins or tokens that you would actually put some money behind? For me, I am a long-term, crypto guy. I used to be a short-term crypto guy, and people ask me this question, and I'll answer this now. I am very, very conservative when it comes to the crypto education and teaching. Before I was created my courses, I was very aggressive. I made a whole lot of money very quickly. I also lost a lot of money very quickly, but I made more than I lost because of my education. However, most people have no business taking the type of risks that I was taking. I could afford to do so. And when I started creating the courses and doing Bitcoin boot camps and people wanted to follow the things that I do, I saw myself more as a liability than an asset to the field. And what do I mean by that? I can say until I'm blue in the face, do not use money you cannot afford to lose. Always make your own decisions as adults. But I also recognize, wow, I don't have you guys can see me? I forgot to have my lights on. There we go. But people get emotional and FOMO and will jump involved with whatever you got going on and skips kind of the education part and try to duplicate you, and they have no business doing it. So I had to modify how I did things, because on the times where, in those early days where we lost, people lost big, and I didn't. And I turn around and say, why'd you do that? I specifically said, you do things a certain way. Yeah, but I want to, Brandon, you don't understand my situation. And I thought, you said it and I wanted to. I'm like, oh, okay. All right. So I got to change up just a bit. So I don't. And I was talking to my CMO about that as well, that later on, I will create another section for more riskier investors. And you might have to go through some form of a certification to be in that group with me. And if I decide to go back that route, that's going to be a little later on. So in the meantime, my crypto talks are conservative. I look for projects that has a higher chance of winning and a less, as minimizing the risk factor as much as possible. Again, because I want to protect the community than just Brandon making a whole bunch of money at the expense of the community. That's not why I created ILCA. So there'll be different wiggle rooms that we can do things. That's one thing I love about ILCA is we can do whatever we want. It's my company. So we'll be creating stuff like that. So just always remember that at the same time, because I never want to be pigeonholed and, well, I told you guys not to use money you can't afford to lose and that BS, because I know how people are. So just explaining a little bit of how I operate and how I look at things. Someone asked, are you familiar with the Peacecoin project? I've heard of that, Michael, but we can definitely look that up. Peacecoin project, is there a token behind that? Or that's just a project itself? If there's a token, give me the token and we'll look it up. But I look for real world projects because there's going to be a shakeup in the crypto space. There's going to be a huge, you think this bloodbath the last month has been bad. No, there's just like the .com bubble burst, there's going to be a crypto burst. And most of the tokens and projects are going to go away almost overnight. And a lot of people that are undereducated in the space are going to lose a lot of money. It's going to be, people will call it the death of crypto, and it's not. It's not. The same thing happened in the internet. It just shook out all the old hands. We had to have regulation come in, the government come in, put things in place to make it more secure and safe. Same thing is going to happen in the crypto space. So there will be a wipeout. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. But those that are educated, find the right projects that have real world things like this athlete engagement platform through a unique membership model. This is real world stuff that can survive. Those are going to end up being the biggest businesses in the world. Brendan, I'm back to get your opinion on We2. Didn't we do We2 as well? I thought we looked at We2. I'll look it up again. Peacecoin and We2. You guys remind me of that as we keep going. Okay. So again, like I said, my style is conservative. Now, does that mean you can't make money on my style? No, you can make a lot of money. I'll put it this way. I won't say his name unless he decides to share it himself. One individual that is new to crypto, that has been listening to the crypto talks, and whenever there's tokens that we may talk about, this individual jumped on them aggressively, but he had a short-term policy with them instead of a long-term strategy, and has made from $5,000 on the positive side since that initial $5,000, close to $500,000 in, I don't know, the last 4 months or so. But he has a very aggressive strategy towards it. So at the end of the day, it is up to you to decide how you want to move with the information that you're given. That's why I always do my disclaimer at the beginning. So the membership model makes the difference. Air's membership model makes being an owner of an associated NFT viable for both the supporters and athletes. Athletes who have NFTs with Air will receive a portion of the NFT sales and a portion of all other sales related to their likeness. That's cool. On the contrary, supporters and NFT owners will have early opportunities to invest in new collections and receive rewards based on HUDL availability. According to the Air website, HUDLs are exclusive and capped experiences powered by blockchain technology that offers unprecedented access to exclusive drops, member-only videos, and more. According to Boardroom TV, the Lonzo Ball Collaborative Collection is scheduled to drop on June 7th through a mint on Magic Eden's launchpad via the Solana blockchain. All right, that's cool. I'm gonna make a note.
And many other brands, which I hope we'll get to talk about today. Courtney Adelaide built her innovative Ethereum empire to net sales of over 25 million per last report that we could find from September.
All right. What is that? Draymond Green said he wanted to be a billionaire by age 40, but can he make it by 2030? Yeah, in crypto, the amount of money he's making. My son come in here and grab my pen. All right. Well, I'll come back and I'll make a note of that. The Michael Jordan token, the NFT. All right. Another one that caught my attention is Ripple and two blue chip altcoins are grabbing investors of dollars away from Ethereum. So this is what I mean by something that's conservative. We already know Ripple. Ripple's been around for a long time. Ethereum's been around for a long time, but money is moving to some new coins. What coins are they? And do we already have positions in them? Should we increase the positions because more money is starting to flow in their direction? A new survey conducted by digital asset investing firm CoinShares is revealing 3 crypto assets attracting investment fund manager capital away from Ethereum. In the latest CoinShares May 2022 survey, the digital asset investment firm says Ripple, Cardano, and Polkadot. Yes, we have all 3. Or I have all 3. Whether or not you guys did it, that's up to you. But do I need to increase my position on the Marnita token and the Polkadot? I call Marnita token because she loves ADA, Cardano. While positions on Bitcoin have changed little, investors are increasingly adding to altcoins. The survey highlights increasing allocations to Polkadot, Cardano, and Ripple at the expense of Ethereum. And I said this the other day in the inner circle that buying positions, especially on Ripple, is a perfect opportunity. I believe ultimately they're going to win their whole case with the SEC. The SEC will find out some form of a way to settle. It's worth less than 40 cents right now. It still has never been able to reach its all-time high again from 2018 because of the lawsuit. So it is completely an oversold position right now. It has a lot of growth. It's like a rubber band that's being held back. So let's do just a short-term dream mode on this. And I'm going to be using whenever this case with the SEC ends, should by the end of this year. So let's say you had $1,000 and you got it right now at 39 cents. You would end up having 2,564 tokens. They do win the SEC case. This skyrockets at least back to its former all-time high, which is $3.40. Your $1,000 would have grown to $8,700. Let's go a little bit higher. What if you had $10,000 sitting on this? This is a coin that I do not think is going away. I think this will survive the crypto Armageddon is what I might want to call it. 25,641 coins. It just reaches its all-time high. You're now at wait. Oops. It's $3. 25641 times $3.40. 87,000. Here's where I think it can get to. 25641. $10,000. I see Ripple going to $10 and even as high as $100 in the next 5 to 10 years. If it goes to $10, that 10,000 grew to 256,000. So this is what I call a safe token. Now, does that mean it's a guarantee token? No. The government, the SEC can do something even more crazy, and this goes away some kind of way. I don't see that happening, but I can't guarantee that it won't. Cardano is another token that's been around for a while. I thought that 2019 was going to be the year of Cardano and Stellar, and it hasn't. So, like, I'll give you, for example, if I were to open up Cardano, see when was its last all-time high? Because right now it's at 56 cents. 9 months ago, it reached $3.09. It's 81% from its all-time high. It will get back there eventually. So let's do a dream mode on this at 56 cents. You know, $1,000 because we buy the dip. 56 cents. You have 1,785 tokens. It goes back to its all-time high of 9 months ago, 309. Your 1,000 just grew to $5,517. So that's a good buying position at 81%. The other token, Polkadot. Let's look at Polkadot's position at $9.44. Let's see. I have not opened up Polkadot in a while. Up 1.5%, 1.1 billion tokens total supply. All-time high was $54 7 months ago. $54, 82% from its all-time high. So again, we dream mode this. If you took a $1,000 position at $9.43, you end up with 106 tokens. It goes back to its all-time high of $54.98. You're looking at 1,000 grew to 5,000. How high could this token go with only being a billion tokens? And this high got to $54. I could see this going maybe $200 to $300 when the next rocket ship takes off, based on the amount of tokens that's available. Maybe even a little higher than that, doing almost like a BNB. So I think the experts, or not the experts, the whales are also seeing that. So they're putting money in Polkadot, Cardano, and Ripple. Now, I don't know if you would do it at the expense of Ethereum, because Ethereum as well is in good buying territory. $1,700 right now. The all-time high was 4,000, and when did that happen? That was 7 months ago, $4,878. Well, it's 63% from its all-time high. So I see what they're doing. They'll make more money if they put their money on Ripple, Cardano, or Polkadot rather than putting it on Ethereum. They'll make more money. I see why they're doing that. The percentage of investors. According to CoinShares bi-monthly survey, a little over 20% of the investors have allocated to Ethereum, down from around 25% registered during the previous March survey. In the case of XRP, the number of investors allocating funds to it has risen to about 6% from around 4% recorded in the March survey. The percentage of investors allocating to Cardano has more than doubled from around 5% to about 12%. In the case of Polkadot, the percentage of investors putting their money in it has risen from around 9% to about 13%. Polkadot, Cardano, Ripple, Solana, Polygon, Matic, I'm surprised it's that low. CoinShares May survey also says smart contract blockchain Solana has seen a decline in the percentage of investors allocating to it from around 4 to 1%. According to the survey, Pat, can you still buy Ripple now? Absolutely. According to the survey, the reasons for investing in crypto. Wait. Are you asking that question? Yeah, because I know the other tokens had delisted it and then brought it back, meaning Coinbase. Let me do a quick check. I'm saying that like I know for sure, and I don't know if something might have changed. Take a quick look, because I have not bought Ripple in a long time. I always do swaps for Ripple. Yeah, Bitfinex, FTX. Yeah. Even if you can't buy Ripple outright, let's say on like Coinbase or something, you can buy another token, send it to like Exodus and swap it for Ripple, or any of the exchanges and swap it for Ripple. But yeah, it's readily available. Okay. Diversification remains a key reason for investing in digital assets. There's that key word. Diversification. Although it has declined, likely due to Bitcoin's increased correlation to tech stocks and skepticism over its true diversification merits. Someone asked me a question, is there a time where diversification is not necessary? Yes. if you have a short-term outlook on crypto and you're just looking to make some fast, quick money, it really doesn't matter what token you choose. All you're looking at is the spread, the volatility. So it doesn't matter if it's Ripple, Polkadot, Cardano, which one looks like I'm going to get the most out of the day-to-day chart and spread. And so that in that case, it doesn't matter because you're not holding for the long term. You're making a lot of money up front, and then you can flip that into something else, even outside of the crypto space. CoinShares May 2022 was conducted among investors managing approximately $200 billion worth of assets. So this is what the whales are doing. Okay, now what was that Peacecoin that Michael Pendleton talked about? Peacecoin project. Nothing here. Michael, do you have a link or anything for me? Peacecoin project. Googling it. Peacecoin project. peace-coin.org. If there's multiple, I don't know which one might be the right one. Peacecoin project homepage on Facebook. 2 people talking about it. Right, Crypto Slake. Projects. PEC. Is that what they're calling it here? Oh, it's not there yet. So I hit Crypto Slate. Let's see. It's about 1 penny right now. There's no symbol for it yet. It's an abandoned proof of work cryptocurrency launched in January of 2014. This might be an old version and then a new one has come in its place. Peacecoin.com. Okay. Let's see what we have. Oh, you sent me a voice message, Michael? Let's see.
Brandon, I put the link into Facebook.
Okay.
I'm watching you on Facebook now.
All right, I got you. All right. Peacecoin.com. Peacecoin aims to unite the masses and their intentions. It is here to bring all economies and ethnicities together. Okay, I like that. Peacecoin is a selfless project executed to help others, being a complete paradigm shift in a peace movement world. Peacecoin will bind people as one. Okay. I will be talking tonight about stories and being able to, when you see a project and it's got a good feel-good emotional story behind it, how we got to look past that part and see, show me what's your project, what's your business plan here. So yeah, okay, that sounds good. Peacecoin anniversary. Peacecoin is gleeful at the successful completion of its first advantageous year. So it's been around for a year. Okay. It was a year packed with all the constructive activities such as One Summit event, peace rallies, and other events to enhance Peacecoin movement. Peacecoin is full of gratitude to its valued members. Yeah, okay, so give me what's going on here. The goal, born in 2020, so 2 years old, an era of hard time for our planet, humanity, for ourselves, Peacecoin urges to revive the time for reflection and forgiveness, sustain the right of free. Okay, yeah, it's all good. Show me the plan. We envision a world where everything is equal. Peacecoin's aim is to eradicate poverty. Okay, yeah. Love, happiness. Yeah. The roadmap. All right. Peacecoin 1.0 soft launch, January 12th, 2021. August 1st, 2021, global business launch. Peacecoin achieves $1 million in sales. Really? August 1st. 2023, Peacecoin aims to construct the first trade school. Okay, now we're talking. This is the time we say, oh, what are you doing? Yeah, you can put anything on your website that sounds good. But if I'm going to invest in you, what's happening? There are 1 million members. Their goal is to have 1 million members by 2024. And their goal is to construct their first trade school in 2023. Okay, so they're here right now, somewhere between 2 and 3. They give to charity and causes. Okay. I got to say it this way. Based on personal experience and observation, I have yet to see any crypto project that's leading with charity and causes to do anything significant or anything at all. That's just based on personal. That doesn't mean it will never happen. I'm just saying, based on personal experience, anything that's leading with that, I automatically have a red flag on. Not because I don't like what they're doing, because it's more that they're using that as a way to. That's my issue with this token here, the Phil coin. Now, I don't like the people behind it, but I see there's going to be some money to be made on it. So I'm looking at this not because of its cause, but is there money to be made on this? About us. Yeah, who's the team? Who are you? Combined experience of over 100 years in community work, businesses, social network, jewelry manufacturing. That's an interesting mix. Tamir, Vice President. Duga, Vice President of Sales and Marketing. Where are they located? Copyright, Peacecoin. They've got products, apparel, blog. Contact us. Oh, really? Pasadena, California. Hey, that's my backyard. El Molino Avenue, Suite 310, Pasadena. They have a telephone number. Does that mean just want to see something? I know it's so their telephone number though is Inglewood. The location they have it in Pasadena. They have a support. So this is Saturday. Let me just do that one more time. So the line goes straight to busy. I don't know. Just because of their message, I'm already skeptical. Let me see if there's any quick reviews on them. Peacecoin. Tony Muhammad Peacecoin and MLM. Behind the Peacecoin is the 10-year expertise of Minister Tony Muhammad. Did we see him in the team? Coach Kenny Smith, Shark, master distributor. So that means there's an affiliate side to this, an MLM arm. The names are all Middle Eastern to me, yet they're in Pasadena. Interesting. Tony Muhammad's Peacecoin, an MLM with a cryptocurrency gift program. Oh, that ultimate red flag right now. I didn't see, again, the CEO message. American businessman and philanthropist Minister Abdul Malik Saeed Muhammad is a co-founder of the United in Peace Foundation. Okay. Just on quick, I won't call this research, just wanted to see what their internet presence is. So far, I see Peacecoin jewelry. I would already have red flags on this based on the message. It's not that the message is bad, is that I haven't seen anybody with a message like this that have done anything important. Also, the fact that it looks like a gifting program. Yeah, this is the same deal here. But this guy's name, Tony Muhammad, I didn't see in the list at all. As we previously covered, Nation of Islam senior minister and Scientologist Tony Muhammad. These companies sell physical peace coins and jewelry made from silver, gold, and platinum. Me personally, I would probably pass on this project, but there might be a lot of money to be made if you guys get in on this early, or if you're part of their community. You know, it might be good. But from an outsider, I would personally choose something different. That's just me. That's not saying that this is a scam or there's anything wrong with it. Based on what I'm looking for on my strategies and my previous experience, I would personally pass on that. But if you know them, you know the community, you might be able to do something good with that. So I hope that makes sense. It's like crowdfunding. Okay, we too. Darlene is pumping that one up there. Finally, like me investigating the coins. All right, let's see. We too. You give me a link for that. We too is located in Dallas, Texas. Seeing, okay, it's Peacecoin, Dallas, Texas. They just built and open offices in Dallas. We too's on YouTube as well. Okay. We too. Whoa, why do I already have We too live there? Have I looked this up before? I remember I said this looks familiar. Let's see. We2.live. I have looked this up before. Didn't we do this maybe a couple months ago? So this is about animals. Every day, thousands of pet owners have to make the choice to lose their best friend because they lack the finances to pay for those bills. We2's mission is to step in and directly pay vets, other parties, to rescue as many pets as possible. Okay, it's a good little message. Mark Gibbs, President, Brian Gallant, Delano Ames Steinecker. Then they have a global team. So yeah, you're really going to tug on heartstrings of people that love animals. Oh, you gave it to me before, Darlene? Yeah, I do remember looking at this. Do you remember what I said about it back then? So we've got an office in Arizona, an office in Dallas, Texas. Okay, they've got a roadmap, team, mission. They got their story. See this? And I'm going to look at this real quick. We're going to be talking about this tonight. Oh, you wasn't on the talk back then. Anybody else? You guys remember me talking about this token? We2's what made We2 so great? We2's life, pet owners, legacy. Okay, what's the roadmap? Create the We2 token completed. Develop liquidity pool locked completed. Burn 51% of available tokens completed. Lock charity wallets completed. Update bcsscan.com with icon and social media completed. Begin media push number 1 completed. First liquidity pool burned completed. 1 trillion. Good grief, 1 trillion. So this is one of those that came out on Uniswap then. That was 2021. 2022. Second liquidity pool burn completed. Published detailed white paper. So they have white papers. Okay. Fund first charity surgery. Okay. Spin off. Okay. So up to there, they're good. So list We2 on CoinMarketCap. So it hasn't been listed yet on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. So, but if you're out there, what is your token? How do I buy it if I wanted to buy it? Does that tell me this? So I can look it up myself. Buy We2. Okay. How would I buy this? So I have to disclaimer acceptance. That's at your own risk. So this isn't something that's on Uniswap or PancakeSwap. It's still a private sell. So I'm not doing all that. I'm not giving them my information yet. Look at the price here, 0.0000000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros is the current price. How many tokens will ever be available though? Because we already talked about 1 trillion. If this loses, okay, here's how you can make some fast money on this. If I were to put $100 down, just watch how this works. I bought $100 worth at this price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20750. I'm left with 4.8 billion tokens for $100. It loses 2 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20750. My $100 just flipped to 10 grand. All right. This is not something I would go big on, but if you're a pet lover and you love to see this thing work and they're still in pre-launch phase right now and you got $100 to risk, why not? You never know what happens. I don't think you had to buy Binance to purchase this, so it's on the Binance blockchain, BSC. If you could, I mean, $100, if you can afford to, what if you put $50 down on it? It loses 2 zeros. That's $5,000. So, I mean, you can make a quick buck off of that. I'm not gonna get involved with it. But if you're a pet lover and all that, yeah, go ahead, put a couple $100 on it that you can afford to lose. You're good to go. Someone is asking about see. Also on Pancake Swap. Okay. Did you have the contract address for it on Pancake Swap, Darlene? Then yeah, if I filled out that information, I would have got it. Okay, guess it would be like a Nugent type deal. Did you guys see that Nugent price went up? It's 39 cents a token. Isn't it? Let me double check. They've eliminated their affiliate program, which is smart. Basically, if they want to be considered legitimate and long term. I forgot to bring that up the other day. Yeah, it went up 39 cents. It was 32 cents last week. So now I got $31,000 worth. And they say, again, you know, I cannot guarantee what they say, that by the time the exchange comes up, which is expected to happen in July, that this number is supposed to, all the tokens that we've got, we're going to get the staking of it, which is around what, times 6%, 6%. So 31, 6 times 31,509 times 6, 100. Oh wait, wrong number. 79,736 tokens times 6, 478,000. Huh? At 39 cents. It's $186,000 worth. Not bad. All right, we'll continue to see how that plays out on the Nugent side. And then someone asked, can you check Bluezil Blue? Sue, save that for Monday morning, for the Monday morning crypto talk, for the inner circle. And I will check out that one as well. But I do want to quickly look at, we're going to look at the ILCA marketing has our crypto news. And I want to take a quick look at some of the highlights in the news today, besides the 2 articles. I just want to see what's being talked about. And then we'll got to go. And I got some good updates for you guys too. Ethereum's hash rate surpasses lifetime high as the merge gets closer. Okay, Russia's industrial giant Rostec announces blockchain-based alternative to SWIFT. Blockchain-based, wait, Russia does this? Governor of Bank of Spain, crypto markets are bigger than subprime mortgages before the financial market crisis. Well, of course, the bank's going to say something like that. Doesn't mean he's wrong, but that's what he wants to highlight. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has super bad feeling about U.S. economy. Yeah, we saw that on the news. Venture capitalist Tim Draper explains why Bitcoin will soar past his $250,000 estimate. Take a quick look at what he's saying. Jamie Dimon warns of incoming economic hurricane. You better brace yourself. Yeah, let me also look at the ILCA news. Deleveraging the euro dollar for Bitcoin. Crypto traders misplaced $1 billion in scams. Deleveraging the euro dollar for Bitcoin. Let's pop it up on Daily Hodl. And those of you that the ILCA marketing system, you got access to all of this. Scammers have stolen over $1 billion in crypto assets since start of 2021, according to the FTC. This is why education, so you don't get scammed out of your money. Top crypto strategist warns Ethereum investors, says Ethereum at risk of a nosedive. Yeah, I wanted to nosedive. Bitcoin may witness massive rally this year. I don't think so. Ethereum-based altcoin skyrockets 70% in just 10 days. What altcoin did that? Skyrocketed 70% in 10 days. Then I'm going to look at Tim Draper. XCN, the governance and utility token for cloud blockchain protocol chain. I'm not familiar with that one. It surged more than 70% in the past 10 days. Let's look at it for ourselves. XCN. Oh, it's just chain. I do know this one. I don't own it, I don't think. XCN. No, it's not on crypto.com. $0.15, down 10% the last 24 hours. 68 billion tokens. All-time low was 3 months ago. At 4 cents, all-time high was 8 days ago. So it's still close to its all-time high. So no, that's not buying time for me. But a little dip here. And this is being sold. Huobi, Poloniex, Qcoin, Lbank, Gate.io, Uniswap. And get off of Uniswap. All right, I'm not interested in that though. But why? XCN is trading around 10 cents on May 25th. It's now at 17 cents. It climbed up the crypto market cap rankings, going from 51st in mid-May to 28th this week. The company has also announced that it is continuing to hire new employees despite widespread stagnation in the crypto market. So, that's interesting. It also became available on the BNB chain, so you can get this on PancakeSwap also. All right. And Tim Draper. Why Bitcoin will soar past his 250K estimate. Now we're talking long-term thinking here. Venture capitalist Tim Draper has doubled down on his Bitcoin price prediction of $250,000 by the end of this year or next year. However, he explained why he expects the price of the crypto to soar past his estimate. Venture capitalist Tim Draper has doubled down on his $250,000 Bitcoin price prediction. In a recent interview with Scott Melker, aka the Wolf of All Streets, Draper was asked if he still believes the price of Bitcoin will reach $250,000 this year. He replied, "Yeah, by the end of this year or early next year." Draper further explained why he believes the price of Bitcoin will surpass his prediction. One thing that will possibly likely happen, and I don't know exactly when, is that the women will start using Bitcoin. So he's saying it's up to you ladies. You guys hear that? It is up to you ladies. What's going to happen with crypto? Okay. He says, the venture capitalist notes that previously only 1 in 14 Bitcoin holders were women. Now it's something like 1 in 6. And I think it will eventually be even, he said. A survey, you know what we haven't done? I got to take a look at in the ILCA community. What is the ratio of men to women? I think we might have more women than we do men in the ILCA community. I'm gonna look that up. A survey in March by crypto financial services company BlockFi found that nearly 1 in 3 American women said they plan to purchase cryptocurrencies in 2022. Furthermore, 60% of that third indicated that they intend to do so in the next 3 months. Draper explained, women control about 80% of retail spending. Yeah, we did talk about this before. Women control about 80% of retail spending, and retailers haven't yet realized that they can save 2% and they usually run on very thin margins, so that might be like double their profits. They can save 2% just by accepting Bitcoin. Yeah, Judy's right. We control the purse. They can save 2% just by accepting Bitcoin instead of taking a bank-issued credit card. And that can change everything. All of a sudden, all the women will have Bitcoin wallets, and they will be buying things with Bitcoin. And you are, oh yeah, I remember saying that, well, they need to change that from Bitcoin to crypto. I remember that. I remember saying that now. So yeah, change this from Bitcoin to crypto, and that's accurate. Even women are not going to be selling their freaking Bitcoin. They're not using Bitcoin to go buy things. Like Marnita uses Cardano. So all of a sudden, all the women will have Bitcoin wallets, and they will be buying things with Bitcoin, and you are going to see a Bitcoin price that will just go right through my $250,000 estimate. On May 19th, Draper told CNBC that despite the current economic condition, I'm still a bull on Bitcoin because it's a great hedge against inflation. Blooming blockchain beauties. There you go. He elaborated, as the speculators leave, eventually it will diverge from the tech stocks. All right, women, I'm going to pull out an old video I made in the backyard about women in crypto. Where are the women at? I got to find that old YouTube videos. I'm going to post them in the VIP group for all you ladies. Where are the women at in crypto? I think I've made several videos like that. All right, so that is it for Crypto Talk. Now I'm doing something special tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific in the ILCA community, meaning you don't have to pay to be a part of the community. All you have to do is register. I'm going to be doing a special live tonight. It's not exactly on crypto, but I will be doing a lot of personal development, self-improvement stuff in crypto. And what we're going to talk about tonight is your story, the ability to define and share your story. Also, what comes with that, the feel, felt, found method. And then I'm going to mention the 5-second pitch. The 5-second pitch. Why am I sharing this stuff? Because the month of June I'm going to be heavy on. You guys want to make money, right? I don't care how many people say, oh, I love education. At the end of the day, show me the money, Brandon. I want to get paid. Show me the money. So instead of me having to direct you in other places where you can make money, which is fine, and which is we do. I showed you just today, I got that Toax, I got the green, I got the Nugen. So there's many different ways you can make money as well. But what if you can make money within ILCA? By selling picks and shovels. Who made the most money during the gold rush? The people that will make the most money in crypto are the ones selling the picks and shovels. And I'm giving you that opportunity. Sell picks and shovels. I will be doing presentations on the ILCA opportunity. It is not network marketing or MLM. So it is not in competition with anybody. It is not cross-recruiting you from what you're doing. You can continue to do what you do. Because what are we selling here? We're selling education. All right? Education that will help you in anything else that got going on. So tonight we're going to talk a little bit about that. 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific. Get back to the person who invited you. If nobody invited you, then all you have to do is go to ilcachallenge.com and register. You're going to get an email to a private Facebook group. That is where I will be streaming tonight. In the private Facebook group. It's free to everybody. I'm not doing it public like this. You got to register to get that information. So that's going to be tonight. Also, you guys are seeing proof and evidence because I'm going to be talking more about probably the Toax opportunity because now it has gotten a greater value since they're using my CMO. That puts the value of the asset that I'm holding even stronger. Therefore, I want it to succeed even more, so which means I need to help it any way I can because I own the asset. I've got millions of tokens. That's a 7-figure hold right there. So I'm excited about that. So I need to have another conversation with our CMO, see the game plan and what we can do to facilitate that. Now, I do want to make a disclaimer as well. I am an investor of the TOAX opportunity, which means I bought the tokens and I have the NFTs. I am not on the corporate side. I am not a developer. They just hired my CMO. He's hired to do a job. He is not part of the corporate. He is not a developer. Okay, understand the difference. And I need to say that because it will be a project that I always want to partner up with ILCA and things that we have going on here. So Dorothy, is there a different link for tonight? No, you just go to the Facebook group. You got to go to where we do the 5-day challenge. The People's Money 5-day challenge group is where it will be streamed in that Facebook group. So all you have to do is go there tonight. Oh, you know what? I'll also be, no, I'm not going to do that. You got to register to be able to see it tonight. All right. And then tomorrow night, I may wait till the following Sunday where I'm going to do the first presentation because I did a test one the other day, but we're working on some slides and information to do an opportunity presentation for ILCA. If not tomorrow, it will be the next following Sunday. I know I got to watch WWE pay-per-view with my son tomorrow. So that is it for now. The next Crypto Talk will take place on Monday morning. The next 5-day challenge is taking place on June 20th. You can register for that now. And you can make a lot of money, Bart, for inviting people to a challenge for free. All right, that is it, guys. You have a great day. I will see you all tonight. Again, ilcachallenge.com. That is ilcachallenge.com. If you have not registered yet, make sure you register at ilcachallenge.com. It's easy to remember. You know, ILCA doesn't just stand for crypto, it stands for coaching as well. ilcachallenge.com. Marnita, did you write that down? You got it? ilcachallenge.com. So that she knows what I'm doing. All right, take care, everybody. Again, I'll see you tonight. ilcachallenge.com, 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific. Don't be late. Bitcoin Brandon out. Bye-bye.